In this video, we'll see how to make delicious soya momos. Let's get started. Heat water in a pan and add half cup soya chunks. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for 5 minutes. After the soya chunks are cooked, strain the soya chunks and let them cool down. And after they cool down, only after they cool down, you need to squeeze out extra water and add them to your mixer grinder jar. Churn for a few seconds to get a coarse paste. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil, add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Saute for 10 to 15 seconds at medium flame and then add 1 cup grated cabbage or patta gobi. Saute for a few seconds, like 5 or so, and then add the minced soya, some salt as per taste, half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Mix well. Now add 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion. Just mix it for 5 to 10 seconds, do not overcook, switch off the flame and let this cool down. In a bowl, take 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida, add some salt as per taste. You can also take whole wheat flour or atta. Add half cup water and make a medium soft dough. We also have atta momo recipe on our channel, you can check it out. So let this dough rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, take 4 to 5 dried Kashmiri or byadgi red chilies and then 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Add half cup water and cover. Cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, let this cool down. Transfer to a mixer grinder jar. Add 1 teaspoon garlic and 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 small size lemon juice, salt as per taste, and grind this to make chutney, Momo Chutney. It looks beautiful. It gets really nice color from the red chilies and the Kashmiri byadgi ones are not very hot also. After resting the dough for 10 minutes, you need to knead it again for 5 to 10 seconds and it would become very smooth. Divide it into equal small sized portions to make momo. While you're making momo, you need to make sure that you are covering the momo dough with a damp cloth. Take one portion and by sprinkling some maida, you need to roll it thin like this, a teeny tiny puri. Add some stuffing to it, and now after this, giving momo its shape is totally up to you. Whatever you are comfortable in, if you want to make your momo look like a gujia or karanji, you can do that also. Here I've made some momo and I'll make rest of the momos later with the remaining stuffing and dough. If you want, you can steam these momo in momo steamer, idli steamer or a regular chalni like this. Just apply some oil and you can place it in your steamer setup. But I have this momo steamer and bamboo momo steamer which I'm going to use. I've lined it with some aluminum foil. You can also use butter paper. Apply some oil and then place momo. In a kadhai or your steamer, bring some water to a boil, place a stand and some pieces of lemon so that if you're using aluminum vessel, it doesn't turn black. Place your steamer and cook the momo for 12 to 15 minutes. Serve the momos hot with the amazing chutney we have prepared. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.